Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your mineralogy teacher, Jen, and it's time for Throwback Thursday. This is the Paradox Basin, and my cat is trying to get out of the room already. Anyway, why is it called Paradox Basin? Well, it is because it is named after the Paradox Valley. And the valley was named so due to the apparently paradoxical course of the Dolores River that cuts across the valley rather than following the length of the valley. That's a whole other geology lesson for another time. Paradox Basin is a foreland basin, a structural basin that forms adjacent and parallel to a mountain belt. It is mostly located in southeastern Utah and southwestern Colorado, but it does extend a little way into Arizona and tries really hard to get into New Mexico. It's barely there. Anyway, it formed during the late Paleozoic era, specifically during the Pennsylvanian late Carboniferous period due to the uplift of the Uncompahgre Plateau. It was filled with seawater, but was repeatedly cut off from the sea due to fluctuating sea levels. Now, due to all the trapped seawater, a thick layer of evaporites was deposited and has had a strong influence on the topography of the area. Salt is ductile. And if you don't know what ductile means, I'm pretty sure that I did a Wordplay Wednesday on it when I did copper. And I cannot remember what month that was. It was literally a year ago. So last November, I did copper. So go look up ductile and malleable so you can learn about that. Now, moving on. Salt is ductile at relatively low temperatures and pressures, so the basin experiences a lot of salt tectonics, the deformation of rock layers due to the presence of thick salt deposits. Due to its low density and low strength, salt flows and deforms under the pressure of overlying rocks, creating complex structures like salt domes and diapirs. So you end up with topography that looks a lot like that. And if you've ever been to southeastern Utah, you will see these structures all over the place. Now, aside from the vast salt deposits that get mined there, Paradox Basin is also known for its vast deposits of petroleum, copper, and potash, as well as uranium. You can see some of the fantastic geologic structures of Paradox Basin by visiting Arches and Canyonlands National Parks, as well as a few other state parks that are in the area. And honestly, this is a picture I took. It's totally worth going. It's so much fun. I didn't get to spend as much time there as I'd like to, nor did I have the permits I would have loved to have known about to go see some super cool geology. But hey, I had fun with what I could see, so I highly recommend going. Well, thanks for coming to today's lesson. Make sure you tune in tomorrow to learn more about Manny the Mammoth from Ice Age. And I will fossilize you later.